DIY fall day today. Did you know? It just happens to be today. No, I have had all this stuff and I finally got it out because I finally had a moment to do it, and I wanted to share the little sneak peek before it heads to the blog, and I'll link everything for you. So here's my tips. Grab whatever fall florals you want. Michael's has a ton on sale right now, but there's a lot of different ones, like I know Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, wherever you like to get them. And then I just cut the tops off, kind of left a little bit of a stem. The beauty of keeping a little bit of the stem is then you can tuck it into your wreath, so it makes it a little bit easier. I decided to grab one of these like rattan looking woven, I love it, textured wreaths, and you can grab whichever one you want. And then I have the glue gun, it's getting warm, so the glue gun is warming up. I'm gonna start to figure out and commit to where I wanna put everything, because once you obviously glue everything, it's gonna be pretty stuck on there. So I've kind of arranged a couple of times and I'm thinking I like it, but I'll probably hold it up too. Still trying to figure out where I wanna put the little chalkboard sign, if I wanna put it on the top or the middle. And then I found this really pretty ribbon to hang it with. And I'm not sure if I will do two of these for the front door or just hang this one in the living room. So we'll see. This year for fall, I've been really drawn to these warmer tones. And what's funny about it is for our wedding, which was now, it'll be 11 years in November. We were married in the fall back east, and where I grew up in Syracuse, and brown was super in. So cool to see things come back again. Like I know for us, in our centerpieces for our wedding, we had brown magnolia leaves coming out of the other flowers. And so it's cool to see those come back, and then all the brown, variations of brown, the warmer rust colors and the new. I used regular chalk, you guys, but honestly a chalk marker will work so much better. You'll get a more defined look, but this is what I had to grab, and so I can always change this out down the road. So I'm embracing the warm tones. You're gonna see these a lot, and of course lots of texture, which I love this wreath. So I'll link everything. I'm gonna have a blog post, so don't worry, and you guys can make this super easy from home. It's not very expensive. What do we think? Not sure how high I want to hang it, but I think I kind of like it there. Such an easy DIY, you guys. I'll have all the info for you very soon, promise. Easy, simple way to update for fall. Little flowers, little candle, and a new wreath.